Hi everybody, I hope you're all doing well. Thank you so much for everyone's following me here. If you come from TikTok, thank you as well to the big TikTok family, because we are more than 2,500,000 on TikTok, which is crazy for me, because when I started posting Taishan dance, it was for myself, so I really thought no one would see my videos. I already had another account with more than 5,000 followers, so I thought, you know what, I don't want to share Taishan dance here because I know that some people are negative about it. So I created another TikTok to be my second TikTok to share Taishan dance, because it was a way for me to be accountable for myself, because I wanted to learn it properly and to see my result and to film it so I can see how far I go. And here we are, more than 125,000 people interested to learn this dance. The person was asking me if I was living in Tahiti, and if so, if I could film the island and share it on my videos as well. I am not living in Tahiti anymore. I was born in Tahiti in 2014. My family and I left Tahiti to live in New Zealand. Last year in 2023 in December, I went back to Tahiti after 9 years living in New Zealand. I only stayed for 5 days. I went to see my grandmother and my family. Keep in mind that the Tahiti you see in tourism advertisement is very different from our life as people from Tahiti, as native people from Tahiti. I have a lot of different ancestor background. I do have European ancestors, I do have American, English, and also Polynesian family. So our life there as people from the island is very different from what you see. It is not as fancy as hotel, though our hotel are amazing. The hotel in Tahiti are beautiful. So let's share with you my little trip in Tahiti, and hopefully you kind of see how life is there. So we left New Zealand on Friday night, and we arrived in Tahiti on Friday morning, because Tahiti is a day before New Zealand. New Zealand is a day ahead of most of the world, I think. On attend d'embarquer. Voilà l'avion qu'on va prendre. We left New Zealand Friday night, arrived Friday morning. Haven't slept during the plane. I was with my 3 little ones, and I found a friend. We were talking the whole way. We had 4.5 hours of traveling, which is not too far, luckily, because it was just perfect for my kids. They just sleep all the way through. They ate dinner, they slept, and I had to wake them up there because we arrived in Tahiti at 1 a.m. First thing was very warm and humid. I think the warm wasn't really the problem, was the humidity. And keep in mind, I arrived at 1 a.m. it was already hot. Stay with the family. I was so happy to be able to pick some mangoes from the tree and eat it, and guavas, and I was sweaty, guys. I was so sweaty, but it felt good. That first day we were with my family most of the day. The Saturday went to visit a friend, had to drive for the first time in Tahiti. In Tahiti, the driver is on the left side. Here in New Zealand, drivers are on the right side. So I was a bit scared to have an accident, but guys, we made it. Came back, had a day at home, eating even more fruit. On Sunday morning, my family went to buy food that we call Tahitian food. They were not all of it, but there was fish, fafaru, if you know that, you know, pahua, what else? What else did we have? Mitihue. Well, I'll show you on the videos. And it was yummy. My little girl, which is a bit, who is usually a bit picky with food, was enjoying herself, so I was so happy for that. Then we went to church. Asian people are very spiritual people, and even though we have different religion, we believe in God. So that's what we did on Sunday. After that, we went with my friend. Really enjoyed it. On Monday, I went to the city and I went to the market. I film a bit the city, haven't changed after 10 years. I'll show you. I just wanted to buy a lava, a patio. After that, we went back home, went to visit the family, and on Tuesday I just did the last thing that I had to do before preparing to go back to the airport. We went to the airport at midnight and left at 3 a.m. and that was it. A little short trip that made my heart full of gratitude of my little island and my culture, and also gratitude of the opportunity that I have here in New Zealand. And that was our trip. I don't think I said all of the things that I wanted to, but I would just add little videos for you so you could see how Tahiti is. Of course, there's other islands. Tahiti is the main one. I haven't been to the beach, haven't been to the sea that time because my focus was grandma. I hope this little video will open your mind of how Tahiti is, and I really hope that you enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.